people, welcome back to our channel. Today my mom is gonna be doing my hair.
Yes, people, thank you so much once again. We are back with another video. Today I'm going to teach you how to part your daughter's hair in sections and bead it. Very easy, very simple, not time consuming. So stick with us till the end and make sure you subscribe if you haven't done that already, and give us a thumbs up on this video and all our videos. So if you are just seeing this video, I will also recommend you go back to our videos and then watch the part or the first one where I was teaching how to soften your child's hair. So stick around and I'm going to take you through the ways to bead your child's hair. With this hairstyle that I'm going to be doing, all you need is beads, and then you need the beader. Hey, some people call it beader. I don't know what you call it, but whatever it is, this is what you are going to use to put the bead in your daughter's or your child's hair. We also need rubber band. I like to use the black ones because I don't like it showing. But if you want to use the colored ones, you can as well do that. Okay, I'm going to start parting the sections that I want to hold with the rubber band before I put in the beads. And then this is my rubber band. If you want to put two together and use it, it's fine. Alright, family, I've parted the hair into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sections. You can part your child's hair into any sections you want. Right now, I'm applying shea butter in the lines before I start with my twist. So I'm going to show you how to twist easily. Before I start twisting it, I always want to use a lock twist. It helps keep the twist in for a longer time. And what I'm going to do is this section, I'm going to open it into two like this, and then I'm going to twist one side and another side. So I'm going to start with my twist. And I want to make sure the hair is straightened. We all have ways of twisting it, but this is the easiest way for me. And I'm going to teach you in case you want to do that. Twist it with these two fingers. So you twist it like this, and then you do the same thing on the other side, and put it on the thumb, and then come down and pick the one down, and then do the same thing, put it on the thumb and come down, pick it, do the same thing, and make sure you stretch it like you twist it down. Twist it. Till the end of the hair. Okay, so that is done. I'm going to do the same thing because remember the first section of the hair, this one, I divided it into two, and I've twisted one side. I'm going to do the same thing for the other side. So comb it, make sure the hair is all straightened and ready to twist. And do the same thing, twist both hands or fingers, and then put it on your thumb. Do the same thing, keep twisting. Okay, people, so our twist is done, as you can see. So this is the beader, or the one we are going to use to put the beads in. We've already put the bead on it. So this is what happens. You pick one hair, the tip of the hair, in the hole like this, and when that is done, you are going to push with your hand. You are going to push the beads. Push the beads. So you're going to get something like this. Keep pushing, and then your hair comes out. So then you have your bead in the hair. People have ways of putting the beads in, but if you are using the beader, this is the easiest way. So once the beads is in, I will just hold the tip of the hair, put it on the last bead, and then I'm going to use a rubber band or trace the rubber band around the bead, just as you did for the bottom of the hair. So at the end of the day, this is what you're going to get. See, our hair is done. So Giselle has baby hair. I'm gonna use the gel on the edges of her hair.
Hairdo, and thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like this video and all our other videos. Make sure you subscribe for more tutorials. Stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.